So you gotta pour that in there. Come on, try it. Try it. Try it. Didn't do anything. So put it out. Do it again.
I'm not gonna put the whole bottle
Do it again.
in there. No,
Just a little bit. Just a little bit. You did put it out.
See, now I have none left.
Look, you could just carve your name in there.
I'm just gonna put it down. If I stick the head in there.
Don't stick the head in there.
Why?
Because you want to keep it, don't you?
Yeah, just gonna put it in there for like 5 seconds.
That's gonna burn forever because whatever paper's on the outside, it just burns up really fast.
Yeah, real
Well,
fast.
That was a fail for me. Didn't burn at all. Do it again, come on.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Nice. Mission accomplished. Let's see if you can do it a third time. Oh! You can't blow it out, cheater.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Nice. Good job.
Bam.
Try it with your hand.
No. Try with my hand.
What?
Try with my hand.
Put your hand in there.
No. As you can see, it burns in my hand. Oh, you idiot.
Yeah, I'm an idiot.